Alright, what's up everybody? I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to use swap to pull so you can easily swap a crypto into PLS and also vice versa. So if you're trying to onboard, the first thing I'd recommend is you can go ahead and buy some BTC using Cash App or any other source that you have to get BTC. I like to use this since it's readily available. So you can go ahead here, put in an amount of BTC. We'll just say point. Let's see how much we have. We have a limit here, zero point zero 0.02 right now. So you send 0.02 BTC and they will send you this much PLS to your wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click exchange here. It's going to come up with the rate. You're going to see once again how much BTC you want to send. Uh, and as you can see here, it's the fixed rate mode is not on, which means that you could send less or more BTC. It'll just do the calculation. Alright, so I'm just going to use a random address here. This would be the recipient wallet. This wallet is where I want the PLS to be sent from. Okay, we're going to hit exchange. Now, this is the address that they need us to send the BTC to. So we'll go ahead and use our Cash App or whatever exchange we're using. Go ahead and send this much BTC or whatever you have to this address. It's going to confirm, it'll exchange, and then just like that, it'll send it to your software wallet or whatever address you put in there in that first spot on the bottom. Hopefully that helps out. If anyone has any questions or other scenarios, I can try to work that out for you in another video. Thank you, and you take care.